project cost management, 7th lesson of PMBOK, and an important lesson from exam point of view, because you end up getting 10 to 15 questions out of this particular lesson. Majority of questions would be coming from earned value management system, where you have to calculate various earned value, planned value, and various formula you need to apply. But these questions are quite simple. If you follow our contents, look our earned value video carefully, you will be doing good. So let's talk about what is cost management is all about. Now, cost management is all about managing the money, the dollar part of your project. Now, most of you may think that we don't do anything in managing cost. We only estimate our team's time, we only make project schedule, and we never estimate how much it is going to cost. So some of you will say that yes, we do estimation, we do estimate the cost, but we don't do anything more. Now, project cost management is not about just estimating. It is also about budgeting, it is also about funding and financing, and it is also about controlling the cost. So when we are talking about this particular knowledge area, yes, estimation of a cost or estimation of a cost related to the project activities is an essential part of project cost management, but on top of it, we also need to do a budgeting of it, we also need to look towards funding and financing, and we also need to control cost. Now, this project cost management knowledge area is primarily focused towards managing project related costs. So when you do various activities, you put man, machine and other resources, and the cost associated with those project activities is the primary focus of project cost management. Now, but the project cost management should also consider the cost which is associated with life cycle of a output of a project. So it is a life cycle cost, is a cost which is associated with the complete life cycle of an outcome which comes out of project. For example, the cost associated with maintaining the code or supporting the given project output comes under project life cycle cost. Sometimes you may take cheaper or design decisions to control your project cost. But if those design decisions are impacting your future cost, future warranty and maintenance cost, then those decisions should not be taken. Like, organization has to take a view on how they want to balance the cost project against the lifetime cost of a given project outcome. Let's talk about processes of project cost management knowledge area. So in project cost management knowledge area, we have 4 processes. Out of 4 processes, 3 processes in planning process group and 1 process in monitoring and controlling process group. The first process of project cost management is plan cost management. Now, this process gives us project cost management plan. Now, project cost management plan is focusing on telling us how are we going to estimate, budget and control costs. So how are we going to manage the complete knowledge area is defined in cost management plan. The second process of project cost management is estimate costs. Now, you can look at as a sequential process as well. Like, first we will make a cost management plan, and then we will start doing estimation of various activities. So cost estimation of various project activities. So this process talks about doing a cost estimation of project activities. Then we have determined budget. Now determined budget is aggregating the estimation done or an output of estimate cost and putting other factors like reserves, contingencies, and finally giving us a budget. So this process gives us estimates per activity level. This process gives us a project budget. Now these three processes completes the planning process group activity of project cost management. The another process which comes into the picture is control costs. Now control costs is responsible for ensuring that we finish the project in a budgeted cost, because the overall goal of project cost management is primarily focusing towards doing project in a budgeted amount. So subsequently we will look at all these processes one by one, and we have a special dedicated video on earned value management.